one else is here.
Huh?
That's probably why nobody else is here.
Probably. I'm trying to land it, but it won't come down.
Yeah, you have to, I want to say nose down, but you know, you pretty much have to put downward pressure for it to actually land, otherwise it wants to naturally lift. At least that's what I experienced in the simulator.
Whoa.
Nice.
Well, that landing gear works well. Nice long landing approach. Hopefully without snow.
You can try doing a Cessna approach.
Yeah. Let's get a little close to that now.
Yeah, I'm surprised they still have those trees here. I mean, they're nice for shade, but...
Yes!
Nice. Well, all things considered for a small place, it was...
Taxi.
Huh?
I said I can taxi.
Kind of.
I think that's a little far over. Tree. Oh. Oh. Run.
Look at that. As you crash my plane. The wheels are actually kind of small for this.
Yeah. It's definitely a full throttle takeoff airplane. Once you get in the air, you can relax though. Ooh, yes.